啊！
牛逼，帅！哇，卢哥帅！
你帮我去剪一下。Alright, I think this is a lot better right now. I finally got my USR back. My friend basically took it for like 3 days right now. Alright, this is a messed up I just made. I trying to find the angle that I can put the USR, like the tilt up a little bit, the angle, then touch this cup, then it fell down, and now all the water on here. So I guess that's pretty messed up. So I have to clean this, plus all these. You guys know what basically like, you know, from this video back here. I take a pretty long time to like clean up the trash and messed up like in like 2 days or something. And I guess I have long time getting ready to do like a time lapse which I clean up the room. I'm super sore right now because I went to gym like yesterday and today because I'm super skinny, as you can see. Probably because of one reason, because this freaking wide angle make it look so skinny because this wide angle. Wait, give me a second. Alright guys, right now I'm just kind of curious like how right now first of all, I still look that skinny. A lot better, right? Because this 18mm little freaking APS-C sensor, 18 to 35, it crops, and yeah, it just crops, and I don't think, okay, yeah, I think looks wider now and stronger. And another thing is how bad is this lens look? Cause I don't know, I can't tell from this little screen right here, but I think it's a lot worse because of the f3.5 instead of f2.8. The actual light coming, and plus this little right ring over here just makes super sexy when you're holding this lens. Everyone look at you, wow, is that an L series lens? Probably super good. Not really actually. Another thing is I try to film 4K actually on here because it doesn't form 1080p in 60 frames per second if I do not use a full frame lens on this. So I can only film like 30 frames per second, which is what I'm doing right now. Then I try to switch in 4K because I don't usually film 4K on the USR, but I tried 4K 24 FPS per second. I switch it in, start recording for like 4 seconds, it stop. It says SD card reading speed is too slow, whatever. And then I check the 4-second recording 4K, it's cracked, it doesn't really work. And this is not even my SD card. My SD card kind of like in this freaking messy room somewhere. I can't find it, so I just grabbed like a 8GB of SD card from school video production class, and this 8GB not even used in school normally, is used in the audio recorder, and I just grab it and play. It's a short clip. I thought, okay, just film something though, then I can start editing. I haven't told you guys, I lost my MacBook, the charger in school, so I'll have to edit this video on here. Surface Pro 5, and this is 2015 version. What is that? Surface Pro 4 or Surface Pro 5? Yeah, and the lowest specs is dual core i5, 4GB of RAM. I don't even gonna think Premiere works on here, but I'll have to switch lens real quick. I hate this little tripod. Like, when you set it up, it just takes 2 years to like recover them, and they require a lot of strings. You know what? Fuck this. Now I'm gonna run a time lapse to clean up all this mess. Even though this car can do that right now. You know what? Let me try something fun right now. I'm sure it's under somewhere in here. Is it under here? Just dig into it. Just come out. I think I see you. Oh, right here. iPad Pro. Can iPad Pro be your personal computer to do whatever you want? I don't know. Let's find out if this video works on editing here or no. By the way, I lost my Apple Pencil. That's why it's under all this crap I'm using Surface because I still have my Surface pen so I can do math. I'm a good student. Alright. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I lost my AirPods case, and just in this room I can't find it, but you guys probably know why now. Can't even find a big thing. This big iPad, spending a while finding it. I can't find this battery for this camera. I spent a bunch of time finding it. So I'm pretty sure I don't have to rush into Apple Store to buy it because I just in somewhere in my room, somewhere in here. So yeah, after that I'm gonna put all the footage in here so we can move on to the next clip. I guess I finished it. It's easier than I thought. Alright guys, right now it's literally 1 a.m. in the morning. I don't know why this doesn't work because I trying to sleep, then I kind of having a hard time to sleep because I sleep the entire day. That's why I went to gym after, because laying on the bed the entire day. And I try to do like 1 a.m. right now. I have to wake up tomorrow at 6:30. But like instead of trying to just lay on there doing nothing, it feels like maybe I should do some actual work. To maybe like 2. Yeah, I have to sleep at 2 anyway, no matter what. But focus on my head, this autofocus. I tried to edit this video of the MacBook, plug it in using USB Type-C, and it's gonna work, but it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. Let me try to fix this. Alright guys, so basically planning on to actually go on and record like a short film basically. I think it's Saturday. I don't even know like what it's gonna be all about, but now we just noticed that we are gonna record a short film and it's gonna be on Saturday, and that's it. And I don't have the USR with me. I'm using an iPhone. I don't even know if you guys can tell the difference or not. The only difference is like maybe it's not wide enough as USR. I have to hold it up real far. This is pretty far right now. I'm not gonna vlog like this, are you? It's hard. Alright, see you guys. I am Eric， 你说我拉给手机。真的呀！
Please check it on the map. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, don't do it, don't touch me. 那个太哦，吓我一跳。
陪我玩。
你会玩 Crash 的，我操！咱们来看他们，咱们来看。啊！
牛逼，帅！哇，卢哥帅！
Alright, so I kind of feel like my day just ruined by this drone thing right now. I just crashed it, and but the propellers are broken, but drone are fine. So the only thing is I just bought a new propeller, and everything will be super fine and super cool like before. And yeah, I guess. And then now what I have to do. Oh, by the way, why is it looking like this right now? This is an iPhone lens. It's super cheap. It's only like the whole thing is only like freaking like 20 bucks for like 4 or 5 lenses. This is the most interesting one. This is like a super wide angle, but it's kind of weird. So that's why you can take some weird shots with this guy. So that's why I kind of like it. And since like my phone, you know, when you vlog using a phone, it's not like wide enough. This is super wide. Alright, then see you guys probably in the next video. I just add this clip on. Actually, I'm already editing this video right here. The reason why I'm adding this clip on because I realized it's not 10 minutes. I have a lot of footage. It's just a blah 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 blah. I don't like the way like that, so I actually don't want to make this video looks like that. So let's just end it here, and I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.